How's it going, guys? I'm Steve and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing some VOIGT Moto Technic to my Tiger 1200. So let's get into it. So looking at the box itself, I paid about £80 for it, and yeah, it comes very well displayed. It's a shame to have to bin it afterwards, but what these purposely do, instead of raising them up, these raise them and angle it more towards you. And since I've lowered my bike by 20mm at the front and 40mm at the back, I've seemed to be more reached over, and it's giving me a lot of shoulder pain, so hopefully this solves the problem. But yeah, so we're just going to undo these main Allen key bolts. So just going to undo these Allen keys. Ugh, so tight. Just bring that back there. So for some reason you're not popping straight off, so they should pop straight off. Yeah, so I think what I've got to do, probably just get like a rubber hammer, and then that should pop straight out. Or I guess not. Well, I've got a semi tied up, so hopefully you pop straight out now. A bit snug. Oh. That's it. There we go. Yeah, so a bit of wriggling, and they do just come straight out. That's it, we're off. Right, so from what it looks like is, it goes like that. That just sits on top of there, nice like that, and then you put your bolt into the first slot here. Which seems quite snug, but I'll get the Allen key. The one. There we go, we're in. No, you just want it tight, but not too tight. On to the second one. Now I think it's because you've got that little catch in the way. Probably why it's catching just a little bit. Yeah. So it might make sense if you put that in first. Yeah, there we go. And then maybe bolt it on that way. That'll probably be your best bet. And you can put these back on. I was sticking out a little bit too much, so there we go, that's better. And the same thing the other side. Should probably be the same. No, that's flush. Wonderful. Okay. Put the bars back on. Oh. No, it is a little bit tight for the line stuff, so I wonder if I can adjust those in a minute. Right. Now, from what someone said, is that you want a little gap at the bottom when tightening up. It's tight. It's tight. Right. Hopefully I'm not too stretched. This should be right. Okay. Right, I think that is about it now. I'll do it before and after and see if there's a noticeable difference. But hopefully this will solve the shoulder pain and everything else. So anyway, like it, subscribe it, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.